Okay, so today, guys, is November 28th, and we are going to start a brand new topic called conversions. So let's put that as our title. Conversions. Okay. Conversions. So the first thing that I think about is, if I'm a student, I would want to know what exactly does it mean when I say conversions. So I want to know, what is it? What is conversions? Conversions means that you're going to be switching between things such as inches and feet, or it could be gallons and cups, or it could be something like hours to seconds. So you're going to be just switching between different units. So when we're dealing with conversions, one of the rules that I always try and follow is this. I'll put here, rule. I always like to switch to the smallest unit. So let me ask you, smallest unit. If I say gallons or cups, which one is smaller? Cups. What about hours or seconds? Which one is smaller?
Seconds.
Seconds. Okay. How about yards or inches? Which one? Okay. So always try and switch to the smallest unit. Okay. The smallest unit. Now, new topic. We're going to look at a new strategy coming in for conversions. This is going to help you solve any conversion problem that you come across. So the strategy is called a fence, because what you're going to be drawing on your paper is something that looks like a fence. And it's going to start like this, like a big plus sign. The first left lower box, that one will always be empty. So we're not going to put anything in that lower box right there. And the second thing you need to know about the fence is that every time you see a line going straight down in your fence, it means you're going to be multiplying. So every time you see a vertical line going down your fence, you will be multiplying. So what we're going to look at next is, how do I use this strategy called the fence to help me with conversions? So I want to know, how do I use it? How do I use it? So step number 1 of using the fence. What the problem tells me, or what I know from the problem. So what I know goes on top of the fence. On top. So what I know will go up here on the top. What I know. Second part of the fence strategy is that the unit on top must match the unit on bottom. So whatever unit I have on top must match the unit on bottom. Once we get to an example problem, you'll see exactly how these steps work out. So number 3, I'm going to use my conversion chart, and they'll give this to you on the test, or they'll give it to you on the STAR test. Use your conversion chart until you get to what you need, or whatever the problem is asking you for. So let's say I'm doing a fence and it's going between gallons and cups. My fence will keep going until I reach cups, and once I reach cups, then I can stop, because that's what I needed. So my fence will keep going until I get to what I need that the question was asking me. So these are the 3 steps of how the fence works. What I know goes on top of the fence. The unit on top must match the unit on bottom. And I'm going to use the conversion chart until I get to what I need. Okay. The next video, this is pretty much all the notes that you're going to have for conversions. The next video that you see will be some example problems of us using the fence strategy.